So, ayan. Hello mga mi! Another day, another vlog. Ito naman po sa inyong one and only Maxine. And for today's video is magtutour lang tayo ng very sweet sa aking apartment. Here, I did a good morning video and then I show you my mini plants too. Kasi it's really hard for me, especially for me to take care of pets because I'm by myself and most of the time I'm doing multiple jobs and I don't think I have enough time to take care of fur babies. So here, I will show you, this is the living room area ng aking apartment complex, as you can see. So, ayan, yung kitchen ko when I did the oats granola. Tapos ayan, very straightforward lang naman tong apartment complex na to. As soon as you get inside from that door, yan na, makikita na lahat. TV, ito na yung dining area, tapos ito yung aking kitchen. When I first checked this room, I decided na, okay, I think this apartment complex is for me. Tapos yung restroom, yan. Ganyan lang. Para siyang may pagka-hotel ang atake niya. So, meron siyang glass panel dyan for the door. This is my room, as you can see. Sobrang easy access lang siya. Ayan, you can see. That's the entirety of my room and I can stretch my hand para makita niyo lahat. I have another TV here and then I have my gaming station here because I love playing games. Tapos nag-stream din ako sa Twitch and then my channel and then do reaction video at the same time because I'm really planning to put myself into vlogging. So that's why, yan, I have it. And this PC, it's custom made. So I bought the materials and all, so I can show it to you because I have a separate blog for this custom-made PC. Charan! Look! So pretty! So, yan yung ating gaming system. That's it. That's my gaming area. And then, that's my bedroom. And then we have also storage. Ito yung isa rin sa nagustuhan ko kasi meron siyang storage. Yan! Charan! May storage, laki na storage, pwede pang matulog. Pwede pa isang bed dito sa loob ng storage ko. So, medyo hindi siya organized. So, ayan. Yan ang storage. Before, I think I did a vlog dun sa Icon where my background is my clothes kasi sobrang liit talaga ng room na yun. So, I make sure to make use of all the spaces. So, dun lang lahat nilalagay lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. And then, ang pinaka-fun pa is yung laundry, dryer. This one is dryer. And this one is yung washing machine. Nandito siya sa loob. At dito rin sa Amerika, hindi tayo nagsasampay sa sampayan. So, meron silang dryer and then may washer. So, after nyon, pagka na-dry na siya, idadiretso mo na siya dito. Tapos, ready na siya for ironing kapag may lakad, ganun. Tapos, napaka-easy. So, hindi mo na kailangang magsampay-sampay at makipag-away sa mga kapitbahay. Ganon. Kasi nag-aagawan tayo ng mga I remember before kasi we're so, ano lang naman, simple life, di ba? So I think, ayun na yung buong apartment ko. So ngayon, pupunta na tayo sa trash room. Nako ditong mga card from Amazon kasi nag-order ako sa Amazon. So yung mga boxes, kailangan ano mo siya, yung ganyan. Tutupi-tupiin mo na siya. Kasi para mas mabilis i-organize. Let's go. Ayan, pupunta na tayo sa ating trash room. Ayan, we're here na sa ating trash room. Tapos, so, ayan ang ating trash room. So, ayan, kailangan yung mga cardboards natin is naka-breakdown. So, ayan, I think it's ready. Here, we have separate recycle bin. Yan, naka-recycle bin. Separate yung recycle sa rubbish. Ito yung rubbish. Tapos bubuksan mo lang siyang ganyan. Tapos ihulog mo na, i-shoot mo na dun yung garbage, yung mga trash. Tapos ayun. Ayun lang yung trash area ng ating apartment complex. Parang siyang kwarto. And it's really maayos. Kanina pumunta rin ako dun sa car ko. So, I have a separate video on that. So, kasi meron akong biniling MagSafe na for phone. So, yun, in-install ko siya sa car ko kanina. And I'll just show the video. I think we're ready na to get our package. Because kanina when I go to the package concert, I forgot to bring my phone na nandoon yung code. So I need to come back here. And then now, I think I'm ready. I need to go there. The package then, meron silang parang internet registration. Tapos whenever you receive a package, meron silang isasend sa inyo na QR code. May information ba? QR code. Tapos yun yung gagamitin natin to open our package concierge. So let's go. We're using this key to lock our door. Ayan. Ayun lang siya. Dito tayo sa hallway ng aking apartment complex. Para tayong nasa tunnel. So here, meron kaming conference area, parang hall. If you wanted to like study there, kasi mostly student yung mga renters. And then on this side naman, meron din silang gym. For if you wanted like two sides, yan. Meron pang nag-gym. Ito yung meron din silang pool area. So I will show you. May pool doon. So ngayon, dito na tayo sa aming package concierge. So ayan, dito yung mga package. Tapos, ayan. Ayan yung package concierge namin. So, if you're going to pick a package, ganyan lang gagawin. Tapos ngayon, since magpipick up na ka ng package, gagawin mo. Tapos, begin pick up. There you go. Ayan, kukunin ko na yung package ko. Yay! Ito na ang package ko! So, ayan naman yung mga for the mails. Kung merong inaantay ng mga documents. So, ayan. Ayan. Ayan lang po. Tama po ang ating video for today. So, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!